kind of score it around like thusly to eliminate the limits of your scalping of the coconut. I used to pull off all the plastic, but I don't bother with that anymore. I just can't stand cutting boards to move. Let me just drop a nice brown ring around the coconut.
Oh, wow.
And you try and get your coconut water in the blender as much as possible and as little as possible on your countertop.
Amazing. That's crazy. I'm trying to figure out a way to do that lately. Yeah, cleanly and without like I do it differently. It's like 3 times as long.
It's actually not that difficult to do once you've got the technique. Without the technique, it's daunting. And believe me, I have been daunted many a time. So you want to be very careful to get the the shell out, because you don't want the shell. You give you a little hard little.
You guys keep those?
These?
Yeah, should be.
We used to put them in the compost, but they take forever to compost. I don't know, they end up being nice mosquito vessels. So we don't do that. We don't compost them anymore.
Go ahead. It's important to have that kind of a knife with the sharp tip. I mean, the sharp. Show them where you.
You want to have something sharp here. Now, this isn't very sharp here. You want a point right here.
Okay, I see.
That's why I didn't go do it. I had to really hit it hard. Because you need a point to plunge the heel of the blade into the coconut.
Okay, I see.
I used to have I still have a cleaver. I used to use a big old cleaver for this. And then I started saying, well, you know, that's intimidating for little ladies. You know, you can't handle a cleaver, that's a man's knife. So I started using lighter, smaller knives to do this. And it's alright. These are a couple of nice ones that lots of meat and it's soft, which is nice.